Namaskar, how are you doing? Okay, here I come with another favorite deck of mine, the Shiva Oracle decks. Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. You know, can you see the smile I've got on my face the moment I say Shiva? I'm such a strong devotee of Lord Shiva. Um, I just talk to him the way I talk to my friend. You know, कुछ भी करूँ शिवा, कुछ भी कहूँ उससे पहले शिवा, कुछ भी लाइफ में हो रहा है शिवा तू देख ले, शिवा तू संभाल ले, बस शिवा शिवा शिवा. तो I think the power in the word Shiva itself is so beautiful that सब चीज़ें भुला जाती हैं. You just take his name, you just say Om Namah Shivaya and you're so calm, you're so fine, you're so grounded, you feel so good and so nice. So yeah, okay, the cards are very huge, so let me just try and shuffle it. Right, whoever is a Shiva Bhakt here, please do drop a comment in the comment section. मुझे भी पता चले कौन कौन है जिनको शिवा पसंद है ना, महादेव पसंद है. Okay, all right. The reading today is, the card which has come is Tiger Skin. Own your power. So it's known, right? Shiva sits on the tiger skin. I mean, this is what the scriptures say. This is what the drawings say. This is what the art forms say. This is what when they explain about Shiva, it's said like that. Own your power. Here, what I understand in the tiger skin and own your power message is like, you shouldn't feel guilty for whatever is happening in your life in case you've misused your power, or in case you're you don't have to play the victim card. You shouldn't. If you have manipulated somewhere with somebody, maybe there was a reason behind it. जानबूझ के कोई किसी को मैनिपुलेट क्यों करेगा? अगर कर रहा है तो डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ रीजन. मे बी यू नो हाउ द पर्सन इज एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू डन इट. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ प्लेइंग द विक्टिम कार्ड, और अगर आपके साथ कहीं कुछ गलत हो रहा है, आपने गलत होने दिया, इसलिए आपके साथ वो गलत हुआ है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ playing the victim card, or instead of being in the guilt or feeling sad or angry on people, or just अपने ऊपर भी, if you're angry, if you're sad, you don't have to. You have to just own your power. Own your power meaning अपने आप को समझो कि हाँ यार ठीक है, हो रहा, हो गया, गलती हो गया, बट उसको पकड़ के रोना नहीं है. You have to move forward in your life. You have to just forget, forgive and move on in life. That is what it is. बस ये इतना ध्यान रखना कि आप वो गलती दोबारा ना करें. राइट, गलती को जब दोबारा करते हैं तो वो गुनाह बन जाता है, गलती नहीं रहती है. गलती वो होता है जो आप अनजाने में कर देते हो. राइट, सो ओन योर पावर का मतलब यही है कि आप अपनी सच्चाई को पहचानो, आप अपनी इनर स्ट्रेंथ को पहचानो, आप वो देखो जो आपको नहीं समझ रहा. व्हाट इज योर पावर विद इन. नाउ हमारे जो 7 चक्रा, जो प्रोमिनेंट चक्रास हैं, उसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा पावर जो देता है, विल पावर जो देता है, वो है सोलर प्लेक्सस चक्रा. तो यू कैन वर्क ऑन योर सोलर प्लेक्सस चक्रा. सोलर प्लेक्सस चक्रा का कलर है येलो. तो सूर्यकांत, right, the light, the power of Surya, the power of sun is there in your solar plexus chakra. So work on that chakra. Either you meet a chakra therapist, go to a healer, you can DM me also, and or you can just do it on your own. And what do you do? Concentrate on your solar plexus and meditate on your solar plexus. Imagine there is a yellow colored lotus which is blooming, which is a bud right now, but when you start meditating, it starts blooming slowly and it is giving you all that strength required, and it is spreading all across your body and then going about beyond your body line, covering your aura section, and then going beyond and beyond and beyond. So you can do that kind of a meditation, or you can eat yellow color food. दाल चावल हो गया, या फिर आप येलो कैप्सिकम खाओ. येलो फ्रूट्स जो होते हैं, मेलन्स जो होते हैं, आप वो खा सकते हो. येलो कपड़ा पहनो, येलो चीज़ पे मेडिटेट करो, येलो फोकस करो. सो फोकस ऑन फायर एनर्जी, बिकॉज द फायर, द बोलते हैं ना, फायर इन द बेली, इट कम्स फ्रॉम द सोलर प्लेक्सस चक्रा ओनली. सो गेट इन टू दैट. awaken that energy of yours and own yourself. Or because it's tiger skin be mentioned here, I will directly take into एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि टाइगर आपका स्पिरिट एनिमल हो सकता है. आप टाइगर के एनर्जीज को इन्वोक कर सकते हो. टाइगर के जो स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं, व्हाट इज टाइगर ऑल अबाउट? टाइगर इज फियर्सफुलनेस, लाइक it's one animal who does not bother. Lion and tiger literally don't bother about who is there, who is not there. वो tiger is just focused. अगर उसको कुछ चाहिए, वो कैसे चाहिए, क्या चाहिए, वो पंजा कैसे मारता है, वो सब चीज़ें, that's how you have to be aware of how does tiger operate. So invoke the energies of tiger and allow the tiger to be your spirit animal. It will definitely help you and guide you whenever you are stuck in your life. Also, you can wear, if you believe in crystals and if you have a good crystal shop around, please don't buy it from somewhere you don't trust, unless they give you that the carrot certification. You can buy a tiger eye bracelet or a tiger eye ring or a dollar, or bracelet is the most easiest and most easily available. So you can wear a tiger eye bracelet, which will give you that strength, which will give you that power, which will give you that protection, whatever is required. So it will help you and grow in life. So, महादेव का नाम लीजिए, हर हर महादेव, और अपने अंदर की जो ऊर्जा है उसको जगाइए. Make sure that the light, the inner light is all around you, which is emitting positivity and attracting only positivity, and be in receiving the power from the tiger, your spirit animal, and let the magic happen, let the magic begin, right? And Har Mahadev. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, follow, and like the video literally, and drop a comment if you want me to go on with more oracles like this, or give some other topics, or get into some other readings. Please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to receive the comments and help accordingly, contribute accordingly. Thank you, thank you, thank you.